again here today. This is probably going to be the last day of wheat harvest. Haven't gotten a chance really to film much of the damn fly. Anyways, haven't gotten a chance much to film most of this. Either the camera was at home dead charging or forgotten at home when I left in the morning. And I don't know, you hate to just stop work and go home and get a camera. That seems a bit counterproductive. So, still got to farm, still got to get things done. So sometimes the camera thing gets put to the side so we can get some work done. Kind of a busy operation, being just Dad and I doing 100% of field operations. So it's a little busy by times, and kind of hard to justify going home to grab a camera when you should be getting something done. So anywho's, back at it today here. Got our last 40 acres over here at the Snare property. It's going to be kind of a somewhat busy day to get that done. Kind of broken up amongst a couple fields here. So got a little bit of logistical stuff and moving equipment around and shuffling around to change from field to field. But nevertheless, hopefully it's a good day. Hopefully we get her knocked out. We can cross the wheat harvest for 2023 off. On the last field here, so we should get done in good time today. This is the last of the wheat, so after this we'll take the combine home, clean it off a little bit and put it away, and it'll be time to service thing later on this summer to get it ready for bean harvest this coming fall. My air conditioner still doesn't work in here. It's like a sauna in here. Yeah, some people pay to go sweat in the sauna. You didn't pay me to come sweat in here and combine for me. that's it for a week. We're done now. I'm all sweaty and itchy. I just got done blowing this thing off the leaf blower. I'm gonna pack up, take this thing home, put it away, and then start the process of putting away all my wagons and trucks and whatever I have to. Sometimes this transmission is a pain in the butt. It's a combine thing. Anywho's, I'm itchy, hot, my air conditioner doesn't work. I'm glad to be done with wheat. The mechanic says there's nothing wrong with my air conditioning. I'd like to have a conversation, buddy. I don't have tools for an R12 system. I got tools for R134, not R12. Thanks, government. Anyways, I'm gonna boogie on down the road here. Well, good afternoon, folks. Ball and day here. So we finished up with our wheat harvest last evening. Went ahead and blew the combine off, put it away, put the trucks and trailers away. We've got some wheat in the bin that we need to haul in, but that's a job for another day. Today we're going to work on baling straw. So in between shots of rain there, when we were doing wheat harvest and we got kind of shut out by rain, we would get the disc binds out and mow some straw. That way we had something to do when that day finally came that we were done with wheat harvest, or we had some actual good weather that we weren't rained out. So today is the day. We're going to get out here on this field here at the main farm, 15-acre field. We've got the 541C and the accumulator system in tow today. The system seems to be working pretty well. But just like the stack liners, we had a learning curve with those. Well, there's a learning curve with an accumulator system, and there's some things you do and there's some things you don't. And we've kind of sort of started to figure that out. We also had some knotter issues with this baler. Got that all squared away thanks to Jim Flynn. So we're gonna get after it here this afternoon. Got some straw to get done. Got some rain moving in this evening, so we're gonna get after it here and try to beat the rain, get this field knocked out, get this stuff under roof. So let's get busy. So I remember that a bit of rain I told you is coming after 6. Well, they've bumped it back now. But from what I'm seeing looking to the west, I've got 30 flats of bales out there. Not feeling real confident about the meteorologist's accuracy today. So I'm gonna take the M here, run out and grab the wagon that's got 9 flats on it, bring it back up here, help Dad unload it real quick. And I think I'm gonna help him. I'm gonna be the driver moving the trailers around so we can get loaded fast, because I'm starting to feel a little nervous about how much I got on the ground ahead of the rain. That really sucked to have, oh, I don't know, 600-700 small squares on this field, soaking wet after a rain. Just doesn't sound fun. So I think I better do something about that. So you can see what I mean. Kind of starting to get a dark color back there to the west. Usually when it starts getting dark to the west, you're bound to get wet. So all day the air has been slowly starting to cool off. The wind's starting to pick up. It's starting to get cloudy to the west. Watched a bunch of it go north of us. You can see how much I got out here. Still got 3 rounds to make, but I'd rather wait to make those until the end of the day. Hard to drive an M one-handed. There's no power steering here. Don't have an extendable tongue, so you gotta get creative. That's why using a light tractor is nice. You can push it by hand. Well, it cleared up for a second, but now it's starting to get cloudy again. I don't know. Wife called, I guess it's raining in Worcester. So, hope we can get done. Got quite a bit out here. I put the baler away for now. We'll see if we're even gonna bother getting that back out. I guess we'll have to see what that brings. Well, it appears to have gone around us for the time being. There's a rainbow over that way over Orville area, so I'm assuming they got some rain. Wife said Worcester got rain, so I don't know how we managed to stay dry. I've only got 3% on my battery, so unfortunately this is the last battery I got at least on me for the afternoon. So unfortunately I'm sure this is going to end up dead before I'm done out here. But we've got just enough out here on this field to fill this trailer. So, I'll at least be happy we got it off the field without it getting drowned. But I guess I'll catch up with you if there's any battery left here in a moment. Well, unloaded the 450, took the straw off the bed of that, put the wagon away, put the gooseneck away, put the skid steer away. Everything's away, all the doors are shut. It's about to start raining here pretty aggressively the way it kind of looks at the radar. It's supposed to have a little bit of a storm front roll through tonight, so I guess we're gonna call it for the day. Dad headed home. I hopped off into the shop here. I'm not quite ready to go home yet. I got a couple more hours in me. Well, maybe not a couple more hours, maybe an hour. But I'm gonna work in the shop here a little bit, trying to work on this project. This is a limited pro pulling truck I've been working on building for a couple years now. I'm really hoping to get this thing done, finished up, so hopefully next season I can actually hit the circuit and, you know, enjoy life a little bit aside from work 24/7. That's an important thing that I think people seem to forget, is you got to enjoy life too. So yeah, I'm gonna work in here. Been working on getting an engine placed in here. This is a 12 valve motor. This didn't belong in a 3rd gen. You know, obviously there's a common rail trucks in a 3rd gen truck, but anyways, so I had some custom engine mounts I made. Also have the motor plate that I've been fabricating in the rear. So if you guys are interested in seeing anything on this project, let me know. Drop that in the comments. This thing was not a truck when I got it. It was a whole bunch of parts. I basically built this thing from the ground up. It was a 2-wheel drive frame from California that was wrecked in the front. Front frame horns were tweaked. I chopped that front section out, welded in a 4-wheel drive section, so it's now a 4-wheel drive chassis. Cabs from Texas. Doors are from a 1500 parts truck that I bought for a pretty good deal and parted out. I actually made money on the deal. Rear axle is a Rockwell rear axle out of a semi. Frame has been trussed. There's a lot of custom fabrication I've been doing on this project. So if you're interested, let me know. Drop that in the comments and I'll film some of it. But if you guys aren't interested, well, I won't bother filming it. So let me know. But get back to work here. Got some things to do. Probably gonna end this video here. Don't know quite what all I've thrown in here on this. I haven't edited it yet, so you let me know how it turned out in the comments. But thank you guys for watching. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.